Okay, you're going now.
Happy birthday to you. Are you ready? Can you open it? What is that? This is from your Uncle Bud and Brianna.
Good, bud. Okay, Dyilen. Go to town.
There's the note. Look at the note. They got him a hot ball.
Oh, nice.
How do you get it out, Dyilen? Come on, guys. Muscle it up. You got it. There you go, baby.
Tip it upside down.
Here.
Hey, go in beast mode on that box.
He's like, give me this. You want the box? There you go. I know.
Put it on the side.
There you go, baby. Here.
A hoppity hop ball.
What is it, Dyilen? Look. You hop on it. Just for you. Okay, here's the note for him, your uncle. Happy birthday, little baby D. We wish we could be there to give these to you ourselves, but hopefully we'll be seeing you all soon. Love you dearly. You're opening it upside down, sweetheart.